Everyone's got 24 hours in a day. What are you doing with your 24 hours? The big problem nowadays is people are taking time for granted. It is precious, friends. We only live once. You need to utilize every minute of the day to the fullest. That's why it's very important to get up early in the morning and start your day right away. So here I am, another day, another morning, nothing changed. One thing I'm gonna tell you, friends, is I'm gonna commit every day. I'm not gonna miss. I get up early, and that's the difference between me and you. That's why I'm where I am and you are where you are. So guys, life is precious, life is short. You only live once. Utilize your time properly. 24 hours. Everybody's got the same. How are you gonna use yours?